Shalom, shalom. It's your brother WasilkamilBey, and we are Sham Stoppers, baby. And we reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with it. Man, what's going on? Title of this video is called UnSkilled Workers. UnSkilled Workers. Alright? Unskilled workers. Got a story out in Hidalgo County in Texas. And you see what it said on the screen, right? Federal workers still required to make child support payments despite government shutdown. So, how you gonna make payments if you work for the federal government? Huh? See, the federal government is shut down, but not the local government. Where you live in, your county, your parish, the city. So there's a difference between federal and local. So that's why you watch these movies. They say, hey man, we're gonna leave it up to the locals. So when the feds come in town and the sheriffs run the town, you know what I mean? Because the sheriff is a constitutional officer. So they gotta speak to the sheriff first. And then when the FBI come in, they say, hey man, we got this because it's over state lines, which is federal. You know what I mean? Somebody moving some weight, some type of shit. But the FBI said, hey man, we're gonna stay out of you locals' way. Title of this video, Unskilled Workers. What can you do outside of working for somebody? What kind of skill set that you have? Can you make shoes? Huh? Can you make furniture? Can you cut grass? Huh? And I like how they got the title saying federal workers. No, federal employees. Okay? Because when you use that social security number, it's for social standing. And you're saying that you are a federal employee when you use that, when you fill out that W-2. Huh? Fellas, you do this one thing you gotta understand. Your baby mama sued you. And you need to sue her back. The agency didn't sue you. The state didn't sue you. She did. She went down to apply for some services. So they suing you for her irresponsibility. Your baby mama is irresponsible. Just look at all the income tax she's been getting all over the years. Look at her. What does she has to show for? And I'm going to do income tax MVPs next. Be looking out for that video. Oh man, it's going to be funny. Look at this shit, man. Look at that. How you gonna pay for something if they ain't have another skill set? Huh? How you gonna do that? Think about that. How you gonna pay for another skill set? Huh? Can you cut hair? Huh? Come on now. How you gonna pay for this shit? If you work for the federal government, so that's why y'all getting this slack. You work for the federal government. The employees that work for the federal government, they are required to pay child support by law. Police, all of them, they supposed to do that. Because they accepted that job. But you, if you're not an employee, you have your own business and then you ain't required to pay no child support. You can thank Bill Clinton for that shit. Because these women out here are irresponsible. Look at that shit. And when you're paying child support, you're paying for these sorry ass people too. It don't cost that much to feed a fucking child. Now, we finna read about Judge Judy. Okay? Let's read about Judge Judy. She been giving y'all the game the whole fucking time, man. I put up these videos. Y'all can go see your children. Your baby mama's an unskilled worker. She don't even know how to properly take care of the children, because if she did, she won't be running to the state asking for some money. Correct? Am I correct? You ain't supposed to be paying her bills. You don't live with her. And a lot of you guys out here that's homeless because you want to be homeless. You want to be, because I'm going to show you how you want to be. Ain't nobody putting your gun to your head telling you to pay that bitch. I ain't seen it done yet. You need to sue her. You need to sue her and stop listening to these pussy niggas. Real talk. This is the only channel that has got dudes off of child support. We did everything else. This is the only channel. The only one that dudes don't pay child support. Because you know why? They support their children. Just support your children. She can't support her children. Even though she's an able-bodied individual. That's her debt. That's her loan. She signed up for that. She has to pay that shit back. Whatever my children mama signed up for, that's what they gonna do. They gonna pay their own shit. That's their bill. They apply for that because they're incompetent. They're wards. I'm not gonna pay for their irresponsibility. I didn't authorize them to do business in my name. No. No way, Jose. This is what you gotta understand. A woman does not have power in this country. She don't. Because if she had power, why they ain't strong arming taking your money from you? Have you ever heard of wallet snatching? I heard of wallet snatching. You know what wallet snatching is? She giving you some pussy and she got you thinking in your mind you gotta pay for it. But I heard of purse snatching when niggas on the streets snatching their motherfucking purse. Real talk. Don't no bitch on this planet have authority over me. Not one bitch. Not one. No woman has power on this planet. They lying to you. Men giving them power. Somebody gave them that, because if women had power, they will fight these wars. Am I correct? If you put these bitches on the front line, then you'll start seeing who they really are. No, I'm not a fool. I'm sorry. Now let's get to Judge Judy. You see that shit? Blum earned in 1963 a Bachelor of Arts degree, excuse me, from American University, Washington, D.C. She was the only woman in her graduating class at New York Law School, New York City, when she earned a JD. That means Juris Doctorate. Juris Doctorate, man. In 1965, she passed the bar the same year. She was married by that time, and though she entered private practice, she soon left it to devote her time to raising her two children. Man, that's powerful. Your baby mamas ain't shit, niggas, and she asking for some. This is why I don't pay child support, because you got Judge Judy. Judge Judy right here. Where's she at? I'm going to go back to the reading. Judge Judy right here. Judith Scheinling, American jurist. No, I'm not taking care of another bitch's household. I don't live there. Tell me what the child needs and I will get it. If not, fuck you. All bets are off. No money, bitch. Go get a job. Anyway, her first marriage ended in a divorce. And in 1977, she married Gerald Scheinling, a fellow lawyer who later became a judge of New York State Supreme Court. Wow. That's powerful, ain't it? Scheinling took a position in 1972 as a prosecuting attorney in New York City's family court, administrative court. Her outspoken and forthright approach to her cases caught the eye of Ed Koch, then the mayor of New York City, and in 1982 he appointed her a judge in the Bronx branch of the family court. See, this is business, baby. This is business. And the mayor had to get permission from the city manager. The city manager managed the mayor before he can do anything of that municipal corporation you niggas live in. The caseload in the court was extremely large, and she gained a reputation for handling her cases with discernment and dispatch. In 1986, Scheinling was promoted to supervising judge in the Family's Court Manhattan branch, as a position she held for 10 years. Her blunt manner won her favorable attention, and in 1993 she was featured on the TV news magazine show 60 Minutes. With a growing national profile, Scheinling published her first book, Don't Pee on My Leg and Tell Me It's Raining. Go get that book. Don't pee on my leg and tell me it's raining. America's toughest family court judge speaks out. Why you think why I put up those videos for you? Who else put these videos up for you? Huh? If you don't want to sue your baby mama, you're going to stay on child support, cut your dick off and go buy you a dress, get you some high heels and some lipstick. That's all I'm going to tell you. You ain't going to get off child support if you love this hoe. Because a lot of you love being on child support. All I hear is fucking complaining. I'm going to do a video on complaining too. Because I don't see nobody else getting off of child support. We're the only channel that's doing that. We're the only channel that's doing that. No child support testimonies, baby. No child support testimonies, baby. You know what I mean? That's all what matters. We get results. But anyway, let's get back to it. In 1996, her increasing prominence persuaded TV executives to propose a courtroom show similar to People's Court. When Scheinling asked the bidder of small claims court, and Judge Judy was born. The show debuted in '96 and was an immediate hit, in large part because Shinley's quick, incisive rulings and brusque, no nonsense approach. Excuse me, fellas, I'm breathing far. Several of the shows soon tried to emulate the success of Judge Judy, including a new version of People's Court on which her husband briefly, 1999-2001, presided, but none approached the popularity of Judge Judy. See that? In interviews, Shinley explained that she did not base her rulings on the laws of any particular state, but rather on what she called common sense. She wrote several notification works, including Beauty Phase, Dumb as Forever, The Making of a Happy Woman, and the children's book Judge Judy Shinley's Win or Lose by How You Choose. Man! What's up, fellas? Huh? You see why I talk like this over here? This is a business, fellas. And that's all I'm gonna tell you. And if you don't handle your business is going to handle you, her. Common sense. If you ain't got common sense, you ain't gonna win, nigga. You gonna be sitting there looking like a fool. Trying to do the court rules and shit, nigga. Who rules those? Yours or theirs? You need to learn to play within the rules. There's rules to this game. Court means games, and they got rules to it. And if you don't know the rules, you know how to play within the rules and find you some loophole that court is going to rule over you and rule in her motherfucking favor. So y'all out here tripping. Big time. Like we said, we don't force you to get our services. You don't have to get our services. You can go read a book. That's what you can do. Y'all know how to contact us. 512-663-3815. WasilkamilBey@gmail.com. Fellas, you created that child, not her. She ain't create shit. Only thing she is creating for you is hell and drama in your life, for you can give her some money. She wants to trick you and make you feel bad so you can give her some money, which is called child support. That's what it's all about. Her tricking you. A woman is not honest. And I'm going to say 98% of these women on this planet are not honest. 98%. Look at the women's march. Why the fuck they marching against people who own shit? Does that make any sense? Bitches, go get your own shit. But who gonna work for your stanky ass though? That's the whole problem. Unskilled workers, man. Unskilled mothers. You know what I mean? Take a good look at this woman, man. Beautiful woman. Beautiful. Still beautiful. Real talk. That woman's still fucking beautiful. Hey man, y'all want to get off of child support? Hit us up, man. Fuck that help shit. We don't sell hope. You got hope channels on. Go to them hope channels. You want some hope? Go to them. Real talk. Hit us up. Peace.